Hello guys, and welcome to another video tech therapy guy. Today we want to talk about protecting your new Apple Watch 6 that you guys see over here. I just ordered these two type of cases. There's no bell, just the case. So let's open it up and try them out and see how it look. The first one that we have over here, it comes two on it. They're supposed to just protect the bezel of the watch. And then you see it come with the glass. So let's try one and see. It's supposed to be really simple to put it on. The instructions say you put this one first, the back, and this is the last. So if you go here, just make sure that your screen over here is clean. Peel this one off and just put it just right this, and that's it. And then we'll peel this one off. Now we have all protected. You can feel the double bell. So let's see how the sensitivity of the screen is with the case on. This is it's a nice material. It's not rubber. It's some soft plastic, really firm. It doesn't move and slide in it. Leave it caps for the speakers, for the bells. It is pretty good. Okay, let's really sense touch with the case on. You can touch anything. There's no delay. So it is pretty good. I'm happy with it. Okay, now let's try another one that I have right here. Now we have this one over here, and this one can three, I believe. Yep, three. And they're supposed to be exactly the same. It's just a different brand, and the material is a little more hard. I believe this is color black. They send it to me in black. Yep, it's exactly the same thing, but the material is a little more firm. It's like a black matte color, and that one is gonna feel the same. So to take this one out, go through this side. Now let's try the black one. Exactly the same thing. We'll peel this one off. Oh, this is not gonna be enough. There we go. So now, the same way. Let's use two first with the bezel so we don't damage it. And there we go. Now this was a blue watch. Now become black. That's what we can see. Tip it off. And the same thing. The same sensitivity. Everything works perfect. calculator. 2, 3, 4, 5. That works. Oops. That locks everything up. Okay. I mean, you guys can use it. A lot of people for different cases. I like sometimes more not too bulky cases, but this one is actually pretty good. This one is actually pretty good. So I think I like it. You can actually change the color of the bell now with black if you want to match it, and it will match. Anyway, guys, just showing these two screen protectors, watch protector for the Apple Watch 6. I'm gonna be making more videos for more protectors, more different type of glasses, and more different type of bells too, or whole cases. So if you guys like to subscribe, like my video, leave a comment, and I'll have more videos to come about protection for your Apple Watch and the iPhones too. A couple videos coming up pretty soon about cases and tempered glasses for the iPhones. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like this video. Bye.